This is the Nifty TM40S, a robust and versatile road towable stick boom from Niftylift. The TM40S features an unrestricted working envelope, allowing the platform to operate throughout its impressive range while maintaining maximum cage capacity. This means operators can work at full capacity across the entire working area, delivering consistent performance wherever the platform is positioned. Its single telescopic boom design delivers direct, predictable movement, making the machine quick and intuitive to operate, while remaining easy to maintain. With its compact dimensions and low-weight design, the TM40S is easy to tow from site to site, helping to simplify transport and improve job site efficiency. The spacious cage can accommodate up to 2 people and their tools, allowing operators to position themselves anywhere in the TM40S's generous working envelope. The TM40S is available with a choice of power options to suit different job site requirements. Battery power provides quiet, emission-free operation, making it ideal for sensitive or indoor environments. The Buy Energy option combines battery power with an onboard engine, allowing the machine to switch between power sources for extended runtime and added flexibility. The TM40S comes with hydraulic outriggers as standard, saving time and effort during setup. Operated from a control station next to the base controls, each outrigger can be controlled effortlessly, allowing easy leveling, even on slopes or uneven ground. Pressure-sensitive interlocks on all outriggers ensure the machine is correctly set up and prevent operation of the boom controls until all outriggers are safely positioned. The Nifty TM40S is easy to operate. After turning on the base control switch and selecting cage controls, fully proportional hydraulic levers provide smooth and precise control of all boom movements. By raising or lowering the levers while pressing and holding the green power button or foot pedal, the operator can easily and accurately position the cage. In addition to cage controls, full controls are also provided at the base of the machine. These serve as a safety backup and allow the booms to be raised or lowered from the ground for security or maintenance when the machine is not in use. To operate the base controls, the selector switch is simply turned to the base position, and the levers are activated in the same way as the cage controls. A red emergency stop is located next to each green power button, allowing the machine to be stopped instantly from either the base or the cage in an emergency. The Nifty TM40S is equipped with a manual hand pump, allowing boom functions to be operated without power. Used together with the ground controls, this enables the platform to be safely lowered to the ground. As with every Niftylift machine, check valves on all hydraulic cylinders ensure that in the unlikely event of a hose failure, the platform remains safely in position until the operator activates the controls. With maintenance-free pins and bushes, durable hydraulic hoses, and only a few easily accessible grease points, maintaining the TM40S is quick and simple. So that's the TM40S, a compact, low-weight road towable stick boom that makes access work simple and efficient. Designed as a practical, easy-to-own solution, it delivers reliable performance across a wide range of applications.